I'm ready for a mock recipe.
I'm ready for a mock recipe.
Are you mocking me?
I sure am.
It's mock recipe time. What I'm making today is called mock raspberry jelly or surprise raspberry jelly. The surprise is it doesn't contain actual raspberries, it contains tomatoes. Let's show you how to do it. Well, I need about 2.5 cups of blended tomatoes. So I'm just gonna throw them in the blender. Speaking of tomatoes, it's time to do my drawing for my giveaway, 1,000 subscribers. 10 people guessed the correct answer. I said the word tomato 14 times in that video. Were you one of those 10 people? If so, your name is here in this bowl. Time to grab and tell you who won a gift card from Amazon. Here was the winner. And the winner is Randy's Family Kitchen. Congratulations, Randy. If you want my gift card, send me an email and I'll shoot it off to you. Add that 2.5 cups of tomato, 2 cups of sugar, and a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Combine it and then bring it to a boil on high heat. You need to sterilize some jars or glassware with some boiling water. Once it's boiling, we reduce the temperature and let it simmer for 25 minutes. Remove it from heat. And then you need to make sure all foam is skimmed off. You need 1 package of raspberry jello. We're going to stir that right inside this tomato mix until well dissolved. Now I'm going to immediately pour those into those sterilized glass containers. I'm going to cool these on the counter for 1 hour. Then I'm going to add some lids and let them set for a couple hours on the counter before refrigerating them. Another mock thing I love to make is this, mock pineapple. It looks and tastes like pineapple, but it's actually zucchini. I made a video of this. Check for the link in my description. Well, it has hardened for a couple hours on the counter. I think it might need another little bit of time in the refrigerator. But I'm too excited to try this jam. Let's do it. I'm going to serve it with a little toast. Spread it on there. Mock raspberry jelly. I'm curious. Let's find out. There's nothing tomatoey about it. It definitely has a big pop of raspberry. It's fun. It definitely needs more hardening time to make it more of the jelly consistency. But the flavor is pretty awesome. It's very much a sweet raspberry flavor. What's funny is that you get the seeds of the tomato in there, so it feels like it's the seeds of another type of fruit. It works! And you know what? It was so easy! And you could do it at your house too! Thank you for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It's always wonderful trying out new things, even mock things. What do you call a bunch of raspberries playing music together? A jam session?